Hola, nene.
Hola. Shh. It's very quiet.
Until the next guy comes around.
It's the 4th of September 2008. We're at Whakapapa.
Hola, Culquito. Yo, yo. Vamos a tener un yuki.
Slurpee. Slushy.
Es un yuki.
Yeah, one of those. Eat it. You have to suck it out of it. Oh yeah. That's good slushy. That's pure mountain snow slushy.
Good stuff.
You don't get better than that. So there's Hulkito, our mode of
There's the mountains up
transportation.
there. The ones
Up there, that's where they ski. We went up there sort of. Well, not right up there. And
that's the road.
so this is some sort of valley. It's raining in the background. It's so quiet here when there's no traffic. So how do you like the snow, Priscilla?
I love it.
Yeah, it's pretty unique.
Yeah, it's like sand.
Yeah.
And when you walk, look.
Yeah. You sink a little bit.
Yeah.
And if you dig down deep, it looks really quite blue. That's how pure it is. Oh, there's some rock.
Here, you can see it here.
Yeah, that's cool.
But it's cold as.
Yes, it is.
Bye, Whakapapa.
Bye, Whakapapa. We're not leaving just yet. This is our last day, isn't it?
We'll come back next year though.
Then we'll go back to our office jobs.
I don't work in an office.
Working for the man.
It's okay. We can come back. It's only 6 hours drive. It's only 6 hours drive. So yeah.
Echo! Echo!
Y así es como Damián hizo que hubiera una avalancha.
Oh well. There was sort of an echo, wasn't there?
It was. Do it again?
Echo!
Oh, I think it's echo. When those got the guys from the balaclava that the police was following?
Yeah, some guys were hooning around the corners.
Just do it again. Do it again.
Echo!
Avalancha. Okay. I think that's us.
That's 4 minutes. Bye.
Bye.